Hi, this is Pastor Lutzer. I've written a new book that I feel very deeply about. It's entitled, We Will Not Be Silenced, Responding Courageously to Our Culture's Assault on Christianity. I've been greatly burdened about the fact that oftentimes we as a church are silenced, sometimes we are shamed into silence. And in this book, I have 8 different ways that Christianity is being assaulted in America. And we must speak, and we must speak with conviction. This book deals with such things as racism, the tearing down of monuments, diversity studies, also an entire chapter on propaganda, which is intended to so shape people's view of reality that no matter how much evidence is given to them, they do not change their minds. How does all that work? Of course, there's also a chapter on socialism, but I need to tell you that perhaps the most important chapter is the last one. The words of Jesus to the church at Sardis strengthen what remains. I have to tell you that I did not write this book to reclaim the culture. That, I think, is impossible at this point. I wrote this book to reclaim the church, to speak, hopefully, to speak wisely, but to not back down. And no matter how great the pressure, to go on representing Jesus Christ, even at great personal cost. The name of the book is We Will Not Be Silenced, Courageously Standing Against Our Culture's Assault on Christianity. God bless you, and God bless the church that He purchased at high cost.